SolidWorks Essentials is a 4-day class where you can go from fundamentals to fluency with no experience required. Here's how. You start with the foundations of good design, learning how to model with intent. You'll begin by creating your first sketch with simple dimensions and constraints, building your first 3D part with a single extrude feature, and then producing your first 2D drawing with views and dimensions. Next, you dive into smarter modeling techniques like mirroring, symmetry, and working with curves to speed up your workflow and keep your designs clean and professional. From there, you explore feature reuse with patterning tools, linear, circular, and more. So you're not reinventing the wheel each time. Then you go beyond the basics with these advanced features, sweeps for creating complex geometry where you sweep a profile along a path, shells for hollowing out parts instantly, and ribs for quickly adding support without complicated sketching or contours. Now, up to this point, modeling has been straightforward, but designs rarely go that way. That's why we show you how to edit, modify, and repair designs made by you or others, giving you the tools you need to fix problems when things go off track. Next, we introduce powerful tools like configurations, equations, and variables, so you can build flexibility into your models and easily generate multiple design variations. Now, with part modeling under your belt, you move into 2D drawings. You'll learn how to add standard views, section views, and detail views. Plus, you can use essential annotation tools, including GD&T, so you fully document your designs. Lastly, you bring it all together with assemblies, where you learn how to put parts together to create assemblies that actually move when they're put together right. And you'll also learn how to extend these skills to include some advanced assembly tools like exploded views and even checking for interference and collisions, helping you avoid costly mistakes. And that's how, in just 4 days, you can go from zero to hero with SolidWorks Essentials.